Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans on a website. Clash of Clans is fundamentally a mobile game, not natively supported by web browsers. To enjoy this popular strategy game on your computer, you'll need to use an Android emulator. These programs simulate an Android environment on your desktop, allowing you to run mobile applications. Popular choices include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player, each offering a robust platform for gaming. First, choose an emulator that best suits your computer's operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. Visit the emulator's official website to download the installer. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation. It's important to ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, typically at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor, for the best gaming experience and smooth performance. Once your emulator is installed, launch it to access the virtual Android environment. Within the emulator, locate and open the Google Play Store. You will then need to sign in with your existing Google account credentials. This step is absolutely essential, as it grants you access to the vast library of Android applications, including Clash of Clans, and allows you to download and manage your games. With the Google Play Store set up, simply search for Clash of Clans in the search bar. Click the Install button to download the game directly to your emulator. Once the download and installation are complete, you can launch Clash of Clans and begin playing on your computer. Don't forget to link your game to a Supercell ID to securely save your progress across devices, ensuring you never lose your village.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.